Good morning children, welcome to class 3 English 2. Today we will learn the remaining exercises of lesson 4 True Friendship. All of you take out your page number 37. Page number 37 of lesson 4 True Friendship. True Friends. We have already learned noun. Do you remember that? What is meant by noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Today we will learn singular noun and plural noun. There are two types of nouns, singular nouns and plural nouns. This singular, what is the meaning of singular or single? Any idea? Single means one, only one. Okay, singular. Singular means one. So, singular noun means, or the singular noun stands for one. For example, one boy, one girl, a boy, a girl, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an engine. So all these denotes or shows one, a or an. All this shows an. Okay, sorry, one. So this is called a singular noun. What is plural noun? Plural means more than one or many. More than one, we can say that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. All these are more than one. No, two boys. One boy shows singular and two boys shows plural. One girl shows singular, two girls shows plural. An apple shows singular, many apples or 6 apple or 7 apple. All these shows apples. They shows plural. Okay. So, a plural noun stands for more than one. For example, 2 boys, 6 engines, 7 apples, etc. Some plural nouns are formed by adding s, es, ies, ves to a singular noun. Sometimes we have to add s to some nouns, then we will get its plural. Sometimes we have to add es to the singular, then we will get its plural. Sometimes ies have to be added, so we will get the plural of that. Sometimes vs have to be added. Okay, I will say 2-3 examples. Girl, what is the plural form of girl? Girls. So girl, when we change the girl into girls, we have to add es there. Okay. Then box, when we change the box into its plural, we have to add es. That means box change it to boxes. boxes. Pony, what is the plural of pony? Ponies. pony, pony singular, its plural is ponies. ponies. So we added ies there. Then what is the plural of leaf? leaf, leaf. Leaves. leaves. There we added ves. Okay. In this way, s, es, ies or vs have to be added to different nouns to get its plural. Okay. Understood all of you? Singular means one. It denotes one. Plural means more than one. Okay. Or many. Clear all of you? Then some nouns take its plural from with a change in vowel. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. What is the meaning of foot? Pav. No. What is its plural? Feet, F-E-E-T, feet. There the O change into E-E. Okay. Like that, mouse, rat. Okay, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. What is its plural form? M-I-C, mice. Okay. So this O-U change into I. Clear? Then some nouns are used only in their plural form. Scissors, spectacles, trousers, etc. That is, we already use its plural form. We will not say its singular form. Plural form we use always. Okay, so understood all of you what is singular and plural? Singular means one, plural means more than one or many. Okay, so when we change the singular noun to plural noun, we have to add es to that noun, or es, or ies, or ves to that noun. Okay, then we will get it's a plural. Clear all of you? Singular, what is the word meaning of singular? One. Single means one, only one. Plural means many or more than one. Okay, ek se zyada. Clear? Then take out your page number 38. All of you take out your page number 38. Here some nouns are given there, some sentences are given there. Okay, tick the right form of the nouns. Singular nouns and plural nouns are given there. Read the sentence and tick the correct noun. Okay, I will read. We have a cat or cats. What will come? Cat आएगा या cats आएगा? We have a cat or cats. A is given there. A denotes one. A shows one. So we have a cat. Cat will come. Not cats. A cats. We will not say a cats. A cat will say. So that is singular. So cat is the correct answer. Okay. Then Rima ate 5 cakes. 5 cake or cakes. Here the number is given there. Rima ate 5. 5 cake or cakes. 5 is more than 1, no? So cake will not come, cakes will come. Clear? Yes. Then number 3. I have a new mobile phone or phones. I have a. A is given there. I have a new mobile phone or phones. A mobile phone. A denotes 1. So phone will come. Phones will not come. Okay. Then number 4. They have a car or cars. A is given there. So A denotes 1. So cars will not come. Car will come. That is singular. Okay. Then number 5. There are many shelves. This many is denotes to shelves only, not for the room. There are many shelves in the room or rooms. In the room or rooms. So in the room will come. Okay. In the denotes 1. So in the room, not rooms. Okay. So there are many. Many is given there for the shelves. There are many shelves in the. Shelves is also plural form. Shelf. The plural form of shelf. Shelves. There are many shelves in the room. After the room will come. Okay. There are many shelves in the room. Room is the correct answer because the denotes singular noun. Okay. For singular. Clear? Clear all of you? So once again I will read this. We have a cat. Reena ate 5 cakes. I have a new mobile phone. They have a car. There are many shelves in the room. Clear? Understood all of you? Singular noun and plural. Singular means 1. Singular denotes only 1. Plural denotes more than 1. Okay. How will we get the singular, how will we change the singular noun into plural noun? We have to add yes, es, ies or vs. Okay. To the singular noun, then we will get its plural noun. So look at the C part. Write the plural form of the nouns. Some nouns are given there. Lady, desk, puppy, school, bus, leaf, loaf, baby. Okay, these are the nouns. We have to change these singular nouns into plural nouns. We have to change the one into many. Okay. So lady, you know, L-A-D-Y, lady. Lady is one. So what is the plural of lady? Plural form of lady? Ladies. So what may be the spelling? L-A-D-I-E-S. Look here. We removed the Y from the lady and added I-E-S there. Okay. Lady, ladies. Then look at the second. Desk. What is the plural of desk? Desks. Look here. We did not remove anything, but we have added one S there. Okay. Desk, desks. Then number 3, puppy. Puppy, puppy. What is the plural form of puppy? Puppies. So like in the first case what we have done, we removed the y and added ies. Like here, remove the y and add ies there. Puppies. Puppies. Then look at the fourth word, school. School, school, school. What is the plural of school? Schools, schools, schools. We added just one s. Then number 5, bus. What is the plural of bus? Buses, bus. Then we added es. Okay, es. 2 letters we added es. So we got the plural form of bus, buses. Then leaf, leaf, leaf. What is the plural of leaf? Leaves. We have to remove the f from the leaf and add ves there. Okay, leaf changed into leaves, leaves, leaves. Remove the f from the singular and add ves there. Then next, loaf. That is also the same. Okay, loaf, loaf. We have to remove the f from the loaf and add ves there. Loaves. Then we will get loaves. The plural form of loaf is loaves, loaves. Then baby, baby, baby. We have to remove the y from the baby and add ies. Then we will get babies. Okay, baby, babies, babies. Understood all of you? I hope all of you understood this singular noun and plural noun. You have to do this singular and plural in copy. Okay, page number 38. This page number 38 you have to do in copy. Clear all of you? Yes? Okay. Then look at the page number 39. Look at the words with O sound, double O sound. Repeat them after your teacher. Oo. Okay. Double O, the sound is oo will come. Oo. I will read the word. Flew, droop, stool, blue, two. Okay. What is the sound? Oo sound. So the same sound word you have to write, any 5 words you have to write. Okay, like this, some other 5 words that sounds with oo. Okay, I have written some words here. SOP, zoop. VIEW, view. NEW, new. FEW, few. QUEUE, queue. Okay, so all these sounds with oo sound. Clear? So practice like this. This you don't do in copy. Only this page number 38 you have to do in copy. Which page you have to do in copy? Page number 38. Okay. Understand? Okay. Bye.